Hi guys, welcome to another Weekend Shenanigans. We are currently in Orlando and we are staying at this beautiful Marriott hotel for Caesar's birthday. So we are gonna go head to the pool now and chill before we have to go to Epcot Food and Wine. Dad.
Pastelito.
Anyways, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down to the pool, perhaps get some coffee, and then enjoy our day. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys a clip from last night. So one of my mom's friends gave Caesar a like charcuterie board. How do you say it? I don't know. It's the board with the cheese and the breads and stuff. It was super cute with like a little bottle of whiskey. It was adorable. Roll a clip. We have arrived at Epcot. Hi. We are ready for food and wine. Yeah, buddy. What's our first stop?
I want to do Mexico, but Adrian wants to do Canada.
We always stop in Mexico. No, we should go to a festival center. They got a mimosa bar,
Which we're very excited for.
and that's the tea. Celebrating. Bay.
Sorry, we're vlogging. It's not your fault.
Smells very intense. Oh my god.
She just said we're vlogging and started.
The plum one is really good.
That was perfect too. Like, I want to be super famous for that. Just kidding. It's not super mad, the plum.
Oh my god. Okay, no,
Oh
no,
my God,
you got it. You gotta put a little cinch.
It's
Can we cheers? Don't make people come
I like
first.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's a chunk of
Cheers.
Yeah, right?
Tastes like rubber test.
Yeah, but if you mix it together, it's fine.
Babe, this is real good for you. Drink this.
You just put the whole thing.
You caught her on camera. That second hairspray when she's like, they got you on candid camera.
What was that?
Oh my god, I love the movie Hairspray when John Travolta was like, oh, when he's a woman. It's the best.
This is the vlog right
No, you don't have to, but you have to watch the movie Hairspray. Everybody, check it out. Check it out.
the movie.
No, John Travolta. He's like, I love it. It's the best movie ever made. The best movie.
Good morning. It is Sunday, Caesar's birthday. So we're gonna head down to the pool. We started off our day a little bit late because yesterday's Epcot adventures were a lot. But it's a beautiful day out. I'll show you guys. Look how nice. So we're gonna go down to the pool and have some fun. Hi guys, good morning. It is Monday, Labor Day, and we are heading out now from Orlando. I don't think we're gonna do anything. I think we're just gonna go home. There's like a tropical storm going on in Miami, so I'm not sure what the deal is about that. But yeah, so I think we're just gonna be heading out. We're not gonna really be doing anything today. Maybe just grab some breakfast and go home. Yesterday I attempted to vlog and then we were in the pool, and you know, when you're in the pool you can't really have electronics, so I apologize. Caesar tells me all the time, like, stop saying that you didn't vlog and just vlog. You sound lazy, but it's not that I'm lazy, it's that I was in a pool and I didn't have my phone or a camera or anything on me while we were in the pool for most of the time. And then we had a little bit too much fun, got a little bit too turned, and then we didn't end up really going out last night. We just had dinner. There wasn't much to vlog. I'm pretty sure this vlog is long enough from Food and Wine that I really don't need to add anything else. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my first Weekend Shenanigans back. I promise you we will have way more later. I promise you we will have way more lit Weekend Shenanigans. Way better than this one, maybe. But yeah, I'm excited to get back to Miami and get back into my routine. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.